Alright people, today we're going to talk about symmetry, planar symmetry. Okay, symmetry, okay, typically it's like if I take this paper for example, and then I fold it into half, okay, fold it into half, okay, I'm doing all this with one hand, alright, because nobody's here to help me, okay, but you can see here, this side and this side, these two sides, one side, two sides, are exactly the same size. Okay, they are matching sides. Okay, similarly, if you ignore these two holes, right, if I fold this into half, we also get another symmetry. Now this is the symmetry that you are used to, but this time you're going to talk about planar symmetry. Okay, what does planar symmetry means? Alright, is if we have, let's say we have a box. Give me a second. Okay, if we have a box, alright, like this box. Okay, so using this box, alright, how many times you can cut? If you just look from the top, okay, I can cut one time at the half point and two times, correct? Okay, two times. But do not forget that we can also include this side. We can also cut here, half. Okay, so if you see this, if we put it this way, maybe I put it this way, easier to see. Okay, so how many times do you think you can cut? Alright, we have one plane. Now, why am I using this clipboard? Is because this represents a plane. Okay, so if I cut all the way through, there is one plane, two plane, one plane, two plane, what am I missing? One, two, oh, here, yes. Three plane, okay? So we can have three planes here. When I say a plane of symmetry, so like let's say if I cut here, alright, no, I cut here, okay? So let's say whatever remains, try to imagine this, whatever remains, alright, this and this one becomes a mirror. Even if I cut through here, it will show the exact same thing. Okay, this side and this side will have the matching shapes. Okay, now let's use another example. Let's use this one. This is, we can consider this as a rectangular prism. How many times do you think I can cut? One. Okay, because top and bottom will match. Okay, and one more is where? Where do you think? Here. Okay. Alright, my hand-eye coordination is bad. Okay, so I can cut through here. Alright, so this one, so that means we can actually have two planes of symmetry only for this case, for a triangular prism. What do you think about this one? How many planes of symmetry? Infinite. Yes, correct. Okay, because it's a round circle. Okay, already have infinite line of symmetry, we have infinite planes of symmetry now. Okay, what about this one? How many do you think? Three. Okay, correct. One. Let me use this one. One, two, and three. Okay. Can I cut an in between? No, because the top and the bottom would not match. Okay. And then we have my turtle. Okay. This turtle is called Ban Ban. Alright. How many planes of symmetry do you think he have? Okay. If I want to cook turtle soup, I need to cut here half. Okay, of course I'm not going to turn him into turtle soup lah. Okay, and these two bears, do you think they have a plane of symmetry? Yes. Okay, if I put in between here, alright, this side and this side is matching. Okay, alright, that will be all for planes of symmetry. Thank you.